Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. So it is the difference of the square of the terms. But let's notice that the product is always a binomial. So we have x as our first term and y as our second term. Yeah. So let's back. So x our first term and y is our second term. We just square it here and another one. And don't forget the sign, it is negative since it is unlike sign. So here are some of the examples. So since we finish it, so done. So let's letter B. So we have a minus b times a plus b. So we will just get the square of the first term, which is a squared, and the square of the last term, which is b squared. And since we need to consider, we need to remember that it is always negative. So again, letter C, m plus 3 and m minus 3. We need to square the first term, and we need to square the second term. And don't forget the negative sign. Another example, letter D. We have, so let's just erase it for a minute. Yeah. So we have w minus 5 and w plus 5. All we need to do is square the first term, which is w, so we will have w squared. And square the last term, which is 5, we will have 25, and don't forget the sign, which is the negative. So another example, we have 2x minus 5 times 2x plus 5. We need to square the first term, which is 2x. It will be 4x squared. And the last term, which is 5, we will have 25. And don't forget the sign, which is negative. Thank you.